So it was REDARC's 40-year anniversary this year, and it's also the second year that REDARC have sponsored Camper Trailer of the Year, so congratulations on both fronts.
Thank you very much.
If I was a new camper buyer and I wanted to learn a bit more about the electrical systems in my camper, what could REDARC do to help me understand my camper better?
Sure, so there's a couple of different avenues to go down if you've just bought a camper trailer. One of the big things at REDARC is that we've got 7 auto electricians sitting on a desk at REDARC waiting to take a phone call. These are all qualified auto electricians and happy to help out where they can.
People who are coming into your stores, what are they asking for? What type of electrical systems are they looking to upgrade, and how can you help them have the best things in their camper?
So I suppose the very first thing people look for when they've just bought a camper trailer is they're towing it. They need somewhere to brake it. So that's when a TowPro V3 comes into play. This is a brake controller that sits on a dash of their vehicle and allows them to control the braking force in their trailer, whether it's on the road or even off-road.
And does REDARC help their customers through every step of the process? A lot of times people are a bit confused about exactly what they need and what's the most suitable product for their use. How do you help them discover what's best for them?
Through chatting with the customer, we're trying to get that relationship going with the customer, work out what they're trying to do with their camper trailer, whether it is a camper trailer or a caravan, either way. And then we try to work out what kind of power charging solutions they need, whether they've got 1 battery, 2 battery, if they're going off-grid for a period of time, or if they're just planning to go to caravan parks. We've got a solution for every one of those needs, whether it be the BCDC products, right up to our top-of-the-line BMS, TVMS products, Red Vision systems.
And a lot of times people, they buy a lot of electrical componentry for their camper. Things can get a little bit confusing. I mean, how can you help them manage all their separate systems?
So the best thing about managing your systems is knowing what you've got. If you do get confused in those kind of scenarios, give us a call. We've got auto electricians all around the country, all that are REDARC approved installers, happy to sit down, have a chat to you and help you out with the install.
So if you were out in the middle of nowhere and you had some problems with your electrical system, what type of service would REDARC extend to that customer?
You're outside, your brake controller stopped working, you're somewhere, whoop whoop, you give us a call, you get through to one of us on the tech desk. Now, being that we are qualified electricians, we can go through step by step and over the phone help diagnose the issue. Generally speaking, you may have an issue with your trailer plug. We'll then be able to point you in the right direction to your closest auto electrician to have that issue resolved.
And what type of product, for people who are bolder about their camping adventures, what type of product are they looking to add on to their camper?
So we start talking down the bigger end of our line. So our Red Vision system is our top of the line system. This incorporates all of our switching, all of our fusing, all in one unit, and coupled with our BMS charger, it actually charges up our batteries. It's very handy, it's also very easy to install, simplifies their whole system, and also allows control via a Bluetooth app. So quite a nice little system.
Fantastic. And are you having any interest from any overseas buyers, or is it mainly domestic?
So at the moment we've got a big push into the US. We've got a lot of overlanders over there that are really keen on our products, and it's been a real big push lately and going really well.
So if camper customers want to find out any more details about upgrading their electrical system or enhancing their electrical system in any way, what can they do?
So give us a call at REDARC. Alternatively, jump on our website, redarc.com.au.
Thank you very much, Haydn. It's been great talking to you, and may you have 40 more years of continued product development.
Thank you very much.